Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we are doing a tank cleaning. I have been sticking to weekly water changes in Bartholomew's tank since he has no filter in this 3-gallon. I want to make sure that we have no spikes of any sorts. The pro weed in his tank has been growing for about 3 months and is doing so well, but today we are doing a very much needed trim. Growing pro weed has been such an easy experience for me, and I'm so glad that I chose this plant as a carpeting plant. I was told that I would need CO2 to grow the pearl weed successfully, but clearly that was a lie. I don't even have a filter in this tank. With every trim that I do in this tank, I feel like the pearl weed grows 2 times faster by the next water change. I'm not complaining. I would choose this plant every time for every setup that I do. Bartholomew is officially 1 month being in my care, and it makes me so happy seeing him swim freely. I'm so happy that I decided to save him from that tiny bowl at the pet store, and now he gets to live out the rest of his days happy and swimming. I look forward to every Tuesday to clean out his tank. It's been a great bonding experience with him. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!